Today we're going to install a new battery on a 2015 Chevrolet Camaro. Alright, we have our battery here. Let's go ahead and put it into place. Okay, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and clamp it down. Here is the battery clamp. Let's go ahead and set that in there. Put the size 13 millimeter screw in here. And let's go ahead and secure it down with a 13 millimeter socket. Alright, next thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and remove these battery terminal protectors and go ahead and put in the positive. Let's go ahead and slap in this vacuum line right in there, and then let's go ahead and put on the negative. Let's go ahead and start off by tying down the positive with a 10 millimeter socket. Alright, then our tie down the negative with a 10 millimeter socket. Perfect. Let's go ahead and put our second battery clamp. Where the heck did I throw that sucker at? Oh, there it is, hiding. This one only had one bolt, so we're just going to put that one bolt back into place, just like so. Actually, let's go ahead and put it on this side. There it is. That way that doesn't go anywhere. This one is also a size 13 millimeter socket. Let's go ahead and tie that down. Alright, once we have everything back together, let's go ahead and start slapping everything back in here. Put in the tire first, and then we're going to put in the tire cover next, right in here. Let's go ahead and put our little clamp down and secure it down. Whatever. Let's go ahead and grab our cover, throw it back in here. Just make sure you put that cover back into place correctly. You're set. There it is. Let's go ahead and start it up. All right, here we are. And let's go ahead and crank it over. Sweet. There it is. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.